Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video and app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete your Spotify account permanently. So you use Spotify to listen to your favorite songs you have created a Spotify account, and now you want to delete that account for some reason but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to delete your Spotify account in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So to delete your Spotify account, you'll need to use your internet browser. There's no option to delete your Spotify account using the Spotify desktop application or the Spotify mobile application. So go ahead and open a browser and go to spotify.com. Once you get to spotify.com, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you'll land on an interface like this. From here, to delete the account, what you want to do is tap on the support option. Once you tap on the support option, scroll down. In the account help section, tap on account settings. Once you go to account settings, you land on an interface like this. Here, the last option will be labeled as closing your account. Tap on that. Once you tap on that option, you'll land on an interface like this. If you have a premium membership, you'll have an option to cancel your membership. If not, you'll have the option to close your account. So to close your account, tap on the close your account option. Once you tap on the close your account option, from here what you want to do is tap on account, then tap on I want to close my account. Once you tap on I want to close my account, you land on an interface like this. Here what you can do is you can choose to keep your free account or you can choose to close your account. So to close your account, tap on the close account option. Once you tap on the close account option, Spotify will ask you for your confirmation. So tap on the close account button to give the confirmation. Once you tap on the close account button, you land on an interface like this. Here are all the details of your Spotify account, so tap on continue. Once you tap on the continue button, Spotify will tell you what all you will lose. So go through this documentation, then tap on I understand, then tap on continue. Once you do that, Spotify will send an email to your email account that you used to create a Spotify account with the link to close the account. So now what you have to do is go to that email. Once you get to that email, look for an email from Spotify. The email will be labeled as please confirm you want to close your Spotify account. Open that email. Here, you'll only have 24 hours to click on this link and close your account. So now, once you get to that email, tap on the close my account button. Once you tap on the close my account button, your account will be successfully closed. So that was the simple step in order to delete your Spotify account permanently. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.